Hey everyone, I'm going to do a little bit of cooking. My usual, I'm going to cook some chicken wings, organic chicken wings, no GMO or antibiotics. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do my usual stew. So first thing is turn on the heat, the stove, turn on the stove, and then as you can see, wings are in there in the pan. So into this I'm going to add the olive oil, as you can see, right? About maybe 2 or 3 cups. I'm sorry, 2 or 3 tablespoons, not cups. That would be a hell of a lot of olive oil, right? Okay, and then into this I have powdered garlic, which I just got today from a store. How is everyone doing, by the way, given the corona emergency, huh? I hope, I presume you all are okay. And a little bit of salt, as you can see. Sea salt. And then our usual, I have some Greek seasoning I'm going to use, as you can see. So I'm going to use a little bit of that. And then my usual would be, I'm going to use coriander a little bit. I'm also going to use a little bit of cumin, turmeric. Turmeric is good for your body, as you can see. And then a little bit of cumin. And then that's it. Then I'm going to just let it saute, just a little bit. And then later on, I'm going to add into this a little bit of potato and carrot, and then I'm going to add some tomatoes as well, maybe 1 tomato, and then I'm going to just use the greens, as you can see, for garnishing. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, into our chicken wings, I'm going to add a little bit of onions, as you can see, to give it that nice texture, and then, the smell, and then the taste. So there we go. And then just mix it. Mix it together. Let it saute for like, a few minutes, and so that the chicken wings, get that nice color. And then I'm going to prepare the what do you call the prepare the potatoes, and potatoes, and then the what do you call the tomatoes. I'm going to add potatoes now, because potatoes take a little bit of time. Potatoes, and then the what do you call the a little bit of carrots. So you wash that, and then basically what you do is, I'm going to cut these carrots, as you can see, in small pieces, because carrots also take a lot of time to cook, as you all know. Well, if you don't know, now you do, right? Okay, so I'm going to add carrots. And then the potato. I think I'm going to use just 1 potato. I like it with the skin, so this should be enough, as you can see, right? And then again, mix it. I'm going to turn on the fan just a little bit on low speed. Okay, so what else do we need? Okay, so I'm going to prepare just one, what do you call, tomatoes, which I'm going to add later on. Let me see if I can find a lid for this. Hold on a second, everyone. This was supposed to have a lid. Hold on, everyone. I have a lid that I'm going to use. I have a lid that usually when I cook in the bigger one, this is the lid for the bigger one, but I'm going to use that for this one, just to cover it a little bit. So let it cook like that. And yeah. So let me prepare the tomatoes and then I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, I'm going to add a little bit of water to our dish. So just bear with me. Just like a half a cup of water, as you can see. And then I'm just going to let it cook in this. And I think flame is too high, so I'm going to lower the flame a little bit. And then just let it simmer for maybe 6 minutes. And then I'm going to add the tomatoes. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, it's time to add the tomatoes. As you can see, it looks good. So I'm just going to add the tomatoes. As you can see, diced tomatoes, and then we're going to let it cook for another maybe 6 minutes because tomato has a lot of juice. So I'm just going to and so that juice has to come out. So you have to give it some time. And then I'm also adding a little bit more water, and then just let it simmer. And let it simmer for 6 minutes, and then that's it. Our dish is ready, right? Okay, everyone. So our chicken wings are ready. So I'm going to turn out the heat first, as you can see, and then remove the lid for a second. As you can see, it looks good. The only thing is, looks like I overcooked the onions, but that's fine. So into this I'm going to squeeze a little bit of lemon juice. As you can see, just a little bit of lemon juice into this. Okay, there you go. And then the greens, right? So I'm gonna have some mixed greens into this. As you can see, these mixed greens. So it gives that nice green color, you know, and also the texture. Although these are supposed to be used for salad, but I mean, I didn't. I went to the grocery store, but it looks like I didn't. I forgot to get some greens. Although I have broccoli, but I kind of don't like broccoli. So that's it. So that's our dish for tonight. All right, try it with your own style and ingredients, and enjoy cooking.